Are you getting the Fruity-voltage-controller module DLL error after the image line update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Ensure your Fruity-voltage-controller module environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Fruity-voltage-controller module, the core engine library for the Fruity-voltage-controller plugin in FL Studio. It manages localized CV, control voltage signals for interfacing with hardware synthesizers. If missing, projects using external gear will fail to trigger those devices, reporting a module load failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for Fruity-voltage-controller module DLL are stable. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Fruity-voltage-controller module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please use caution. Replacing Fruity-voltage-controller module DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing Fruity-voltage-controller module and maintaining system health. If your workstation is back online and Fruity-voltage-controller module is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.